Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to open this compost bin which was full of such organic matter which went unnoticed for several months. So let's do it together and see what's there inside. I used to put kitchen waste in this pot for composting, but it went unnoticed for several months now, and as we can see it has become very dry. Now I have emptied the pot and this is what we have got. Here we can see some stuff is still not decomposed properly, so we can filter that out later. We need to remove all these stems and solid sticks which seem difficult to decompose. I am going to crush the dried leaves and similar matter. Now quickly I am filtering everything manually. Guys, trust me, this is so satisfying job to do. So this is the condition after some filtering. And now I am going to filter this with sieve. This will separate out all the fine matter and solid matter. The fine powder which we get can directly be used as a fertilizer. We can insert back the remaining matter in pot along with new wet waste and give it some time to form compost again. And slowly we can see that our compost is getting separated and it is like we can use it directly. And here it is. Our compost is now ready to be used as fertilizer for our plants. We can now spread it around our plants and watch them thrive. Thanks for watching. Do hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. I will meet soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.